Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So this is not going to be a resin video. This is going to be something different. We're going to be making a decorative phone case. I've been seeing this all over TikTok, and I follow a creator that makes a ton of decorative phone case, mirror, like everything you can think of. She makes it. So I've been meaning to make this for probably like a year now. So finally I got all the time in the world, so why not do it now? So the charms I got from Amazon. The phone case I got it from Etsy. So it was only $3. The decorative cream, I think that's what you want to call it, I got that from Amazon as well. And the doll clay that I showed you guys in the very beginning of the video, I got that from Etsy's. And I think that's pretty much all you're gonna need. If there's anything else, I'll let you guys know. And I will leave the link for everything that I'm using down in the description box down below. So what I did was, it came with this piping tool in the decorating case. So I just attached that on top of the tube. And now I'm just making my little squiggly tiny lines. It comes with different sizes, so you can either do it small or big. I went with some pink, and then I went with some clear white with some glitter in there. So this is going to be the clear white. You can see that there's a little bit of some glitter. I didn't quite have an idea of how I wanted everything to be. And keep in mind, this is my first time doing this, so some mistakes were made. But you live and you learn. But it looks pretty cool already. Going around the edges, the sides, and the center. You just press down and squeeze, and then go back and forth, kind of like dragging it across the phone case, and try to make it as closely together as you possibly can. And I'm going to keep on repeating the same steps over and over again. According to Google, it says that it takes up to 24 to 48 hours to dry. I let this dry overnight for a full 24 hours, and it seems fine. It's not sticky. Well, it's kind of like squishy as before, but I think that's pretty much how it's supposed to be. I'm going to let it sit for a few more days. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit longer to see if it's supposed to be like hard as a rock, or is it just supposed to be like a little bit squishy. Not quite sure yet. Now that I add all of my colors, it's time now to start decorating with all of my charms. Is you should put it directly into the middle of the clay piece. And now the charms that I got from Amazon, which are just candies and sweets and all of that good stuff. And it has some rainbows in there as well, and some gummy bears. Just decorate it however you want to decorate it. And make sure that you press down on it a little bit so the decorating can kind of close up on it, so it's not just sitting on top, so that it can all just dry together perfectly. I know when people are making this, they have their charms and everything already laid out how they want it to be, but I just went with the flow. Whatever I felt like if I should add on there, I just add on there. And I made sure not to add the same things on there a lot, maybe in like different colors, but try to like jazz it up and fix it up as best as I possibly can. And that's it. And we're just gonna let it dry. Maybe add like one or two more stuff on there, but that's pretty much it. This was so easy and so fun to make. Like, absolutely obsessed. I'm gonna make a purse because that was my original thought and idea, but I wanted to try it out on a phone case first, just to see how it would look instead of just messing up a bag. This is how she looks outside. This was like a few seconds after I finished, so it's not dry yet or anything. This is how it's looking. It looks pretty good. But it's going to sit on a flat surface for it to dry, and kind of cover it just in case if any hair or any dust can fall onto it, and then everything just dry together. So I attached my phone case on there, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks. My hand is all in the way and everything, but yeah, you guys get the idea. It looks pretty good. I like it. Nice and simple. I'm definitely going to be making more of these because I bought a ton of clay dolls from Etsy. So this should be fun. Why am I looking at that? It's so early in the morning while filming this. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, looks pretty good. And you can kind of see the glitter in the back. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Toodaloo. Peace out.